What if I told you that you could get unlimited access to Seedance 2 plus every other top AI image, video, and audio model for a full 24 hours completely free? No credit card tricks, no watered down free tier. I'm talking about real unlimited generations. Today, I'm going to put that claim to the test. If you're new here, this is Tech Tutor, where I test AI tools that help creators work smarter. Today, I'm using Higgsfield's free 24-hour unlimited access to create an entire cinematic movie trailer from scratch using AI. We'll build the characters, create the scenes, animate everything with Seedance 2, and see how the final result turns out. Let's get started. So this is the page you'll be taken to after clicking the link in the description. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new account because this offer is mainly for new users. So for this demo, I'll quickly sign up with a fresh account. To activate the unlimited offer, click on pricing, then select get free trial for $0. This will take you to the checkout page. Don't worry about entering your payment details. You won't be charged during the trial period, and you can cancel at any time before it ends if you decide it's not for you. Once you're done, you'll see a message that says 1 day unlimited free trial is now active. Click continue and you'll be taken to the subscription page. From here, you can see all the models included in the offer, from image and video models to voice models as well. It's a surprisingly large collection for a free trial. Let's start with images. My goal is to create a fully consistent cinematic trailer. So the first thing I need is a complete set of reference sheets for the characters and environments. I've already prepared all the prompts for this project, and I'll leave the full prompt pack in the description so you can follow along or customize it for your own story. For this demo, I'll be using C-Dream 5 Pro for every image. I'll turn on the unlimited option, generate 2 variations for each prompt, and start with the first character reference sheet. Since there are multiple characters and locations to create, I'm going to generate all of the reference sheets first and then jump straight to the results. And just like that, all the reference sheets are ready, including every main character and every environment we'll need throughout the story. The next step is to set these images as references, so the characters and locations remain consistent across every scene. Once that's done, I'll start generating the actual scene images by copying the scene prompts one by one and creating the full storyboard. Now, all of the scene images are finished, and everything is looking consistent so far. We have all the visuals we need, so it's time to bring them to life. For the animation stage, I'll be using Seedance 2, which is also included in the unlimited free trial. I'll select the first scene image, paste in my animation prompt, and start generating the video. I'll repeat this same process for every scene until the entire story has been animated. I've now generated all of the video clips for the story, and the results look great. Since this project uses narration, the next step is creating a consistent voiceover. To do that, I'll head over to the Higgsfield voice section. I'll paste in my narration script, select the 11 Labs model, choose the voice I want to use, enable the unlimited option once again, and then generate the voiceover. Once all the clips and narration are ready, I'll bring everything into CapCut, arrange the scenes in order, add the voiceover, sound effects, background music, and make the final adjustments to complete the trailer. To be clear, I didn't just generate the bare minimum to make this work. I kept generating well past what I needed, and I never hit a limit, never saw a paywall, never got throttled. That's what actually convinced me this is real unlimited access, not a marketing trick. If your free day runs out and you want to keep building, Higgsfield Plus adds 7 more days of unlimited access as part of a paid subscription. Separate offer, but worth knowing. If you want to try building something yourself, my link is in the description, first line, and pinned in the comments. Every new user gets the same 24 hours of free unlimited access, Seedance 2 included. Try it before the window closes, and show me what you build. See you in the next one.
For centuries, the city remained hidden above the clouds, forgotten by history, abandoned by time. Legend spoke of a place untouched by the world below, a kingdom suspended in the sky, a civilization lost to time. Many searched for it, none ever returned. But when one explorer discovers the path to the impossible, everything changes. Beyond the clouds lies a secret buried for generations. Ancient power, forgotten knowledge, and a force that should never have been awakened. Now, the fate of the lost city hangs in the balance. As darkness rises from the shadows, one man must uncover the truth before it's too late. Some mysteries were never meant to be found. Some doors were never meant to be opened. And some legends should have remained forgotten